So as the new year kicks off, a lot of case makers are now starting to bring out new revised cases with the camera control button on. So let's check out one of these revised cases and see if it's any good. Camera Pro case, and this has the new camera control button on it. So let's just take a look. So like I said, this is the new Prestige case, and it's very similar to the other Armor Pros, and this is their new colorway. So it is kind of similar to the Aurora case with that sort of pattern, but it's a slightly different color. So let's just get this popped out. So the main differences with this case, now I will do a quick overview, but I'm not going to do a full review because I've already done a full review on the Armor Pro case, but I'll just recap what's really different with this case. So this is the Aurora or Armor Pro, but this one has the camera control cutout. Yeah, and it does have the metal buttons, it does have the metal camera guard, and then we have this cutout here for the camera control. So that's, like I said, that's the Aurora one. This is the Prestige, and we have a different colored metal camera guard, and these buttons are silver. These are aluminium buttons, which are very, very nice. And then of course we have our camera control button, completely smooth down the side here. That's what you want to see, whereas on the previous version we have this cutout. So it's not, this is one of the least intrusive cutouts in my honest opinion. It doesn't have a massive gap, but it is a tidier looking case. So we'll just double check the weight. So the original Armor Pro weighed in at 39 grams, and then the new Armor Pro weighs in at 39 grams. So not much of a change there. Okay, so let's just pop the phone in there, and yeah, straight away it is nice to have this totally smooth. I will be honest, the camera control cutout doesn't really bother me as long as the case is good, and a lot of the cases that I've tried have been good, but I will say part of me does like the complete smoothness on the side with the buttons. So just check the buttons here. Yeah, quickly tactile responsive, and of course what you came for. You just double click and it can activate that button with no issues, and let's just test the haptics then. So we just slide our finger there, and yeah, that's reading, no problems there whatsoever. That's really good to see. And of course then if we just click, test some of those haptics, yeah, I mean there's no issues there with the responsiveness of it. That's pretty good. Yeah, I dig that. And there we go. So this is the Prestige in the natural titanium iPhone. Very, very nice. It does feel really, really nice. I mean, we do have a little bit of grip down the sides of this bumper here, but the rest of the armored fiber sort of comes around and it's smooth. Doesn't give you the massive amount of grip, but it's okay. And then we have this texture here of this pattern, which is very nice as well. On the bottom then we've got our cutouts for our USB-C and our speakers, and it is a full bumper case as well. So this is my type of case. I really like this. Yeah, really nice. If we look at the screen lip then, so the screen lip does come up around the display, and it is consistent all the way around. So if you set that down flat, it's not going to rough up that display. That's what you want to see. And then camera guard, that metal camera guard, lenses don't protrude out. That's perfect. So you set that down flat, you're not going to get any roughing up with those lenses. That's perfect. Magsafe case as well, so we can do a Magsafe test. Benks' magnets have been consistently good across the board the past couple of years. I don't expect this to be any less. So yeah, that is pretty perfect. Can't fault that. And then we'll just do the Magsafe test then. We'll just do the charging test. So just plug that stand in, pop that on. No problem. Wireless charging is working without an issue there. That's perfect. That's what you want to see. So yeah, I'm not sure what else needs to be said. Benks have put a camera control button in there, and the camera control button works very well. Yeah, I would definitely say if you have been holding off waiting for a camera control button case and this is the one you've been looking for, well then I would highly recommend definitely go and pick it up. As always, I will leave you a link in the description down below where you can pick this case up. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Just keep it locked to the channel. I will be getting in more cases from more brands with updated camera control button videos. So if that is something that you want to see, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notifications, because I will be dropping a lot more cases with the camera control button. So stay tuned for that. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.